Hey guys, Cake Master Vlogs. I missed my daily vlog yesterday, but we're running away from my friend because we hit his bike over there. Alright, follow me. How the fuck do we gonna get out? All the way over there by Brent's yard. Who?
I'm gonna just climb the fence because I might get fence. They only need the shower.
Wait, who's where?
No, I was just flying. Oh, why is this here?
Wait, is he still in my yard? No. Look for it. Go get that bat. Yeah. He's right there. He was right there. Oh fuck.
I think he's not coming.
Oh God. Anthony! Over here! Oh fuck. Dude! Oh shit. Yo! My fucking head hit it. And it went off. Shit. Oh shit! I can't believe I made the car alarm go off. Fuck! I made the car alarm go off. When I got it, my head hit it.
I touched the car like this, and I thought I did it.
No, I hit my head on it.
The guy's in the backyard.
What backyard?
I'm not gonna tell you.
Why?
Cause.
If I tell my daddy, he's gonna call the police on him. Let's get on my bike.
I'll give you a hint.
Don't give me no hint. Tell me.
Ramp! Ramp. I hit it in the backyard of one of those little ramps.
Why are y'all putting it in other people's yard? So you want me to come at night time and take one of your stuff and put it in somebody else's
It's in a
yard?
ramp.
Dude.
Beware, you should get a lamp.
I'm telling my dad.
Bro, alright, fine, I'll go get it. I'm gonna go get it. Come on, Tristan. Come on, guys. It's not this one, but it's over there on that one. It's over there by that one. Just go get your fucking stupid bike. No one gives a shit about. No! You have to go more back. On the other ramp. I did take Tristan's bike.
It's all the way at the back.
On you.
Oh, the second ramp.
Nope, nope.
It is.
There.
It is over there.
Nope, nope.
Brent, it's over there. Follow me.
Put it all the way across over there. Come here.
It's right there. It's right here.
Tristan snitched.
It's like
No,
right.
he didn't.
It's right here.
Why'd you snitch?
I didn't snitch.
He did.
I told you it was right here. See?
Tristan was scared to come back here, that's why.
Well, that was today's vlog, I guess.
I don't know why y'all take my stuff if y'all don't want me taking y'all stuff.
Oh, it was just for a video. Jeez.
Seriously?
Yeah.
This for a fucking video?
You
Yeah.
pranked.
Pranked.
P-R-A-N-K.
ED.
3. Exclamation point.
1 point for
Then
us
why'd you ask? Just so that.
for a video. We're not gonna fake it. We don't fake it. We do it for real, yeah?
Yeah.
We don't prank it.
Come on.
We don't fake it. We prank it. Oh.
I
Alright, what are you gonna take? I'll let you take one thing. My dick?
I don't know.
How is he gonna steal it?
Wait, let's go guard our yard so he doesn't come. So he can't come and take anything? What about your yard? I'm sitting over here. Alright. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, well, should we make it longer?
What?
Should we make it the video longer? It's only 6 minutes. I didn't push him. I never pushed him!
He's pranking us. He's pranking us.
You pranking us!
I never pushed him, too!
He's pranking us.
You pranking us.
Pranking us.
We should make a channel called Pranked.
Because if he did push him, he should have left B behind, but he wasn't.
Yo!
He's lying.
Alright guys, we're gonna be making...
Prank what?
No, instead you want to take down Animal Adventures and do a new channel called Pranked.
Yeah, fuck Animal
Yeah,
Adventures.
Animal Adventures is over. This video might go on Pranked.
But maybe
We might do air horn pranks, creepy mask pranks, bunch of shit. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed this first prank video, hit the like button, subscribe, and see you guys later. Peace.
Liar.